Thursday night. Let's get the girls ready for bed. And my boy. Hi, buddy. How you doing, huh? I got home, left the door open, and he didn't come in. I unloaded the car, he didn't come in. I'm like, what are you waiting for? He was waiting for an invitation. As soon as I went, he came right on in and started staring at the fish. Hey, buddy. You are such a beautiful boy. You want to go put the girls to bed? Mm-hmm. So no update last night. Needed a break. I needed a break. I've been doing this for 3 years. And it's kind of like, was like, nope, no update tonight. Hi, beautifuls. How we doing? So my headlamp took a dump. So we are relying on the old style torch. What are you talking about there, beautiful, huh? Everybody okay? Poop warning. Time to scoop the poop. Get the eggs. Hi, guys. Looks like we did pretty good over there. Hi, Rusty. Give me a second. This is the nicest feeling. Knowing that your friends are trustworthy. Look at this. The door's open. She knows she can go out there. He knows he can come in here. They don't. It's an amazing feeling having good friends like this. Good animals. Let's get some eggs. 2. That's 3, 4, 5. That's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There we go. 11 more eggs. I'll take it. I'll take it. Thank you. Thank you, beautiful. Rusty's one of my favorites over here. Rusty and Rusty Senior, or Rusty Junior. So yesterday work got real interesting. That is, I ended up hiring a maintenance person. He has construction but not maintenance background, but that's okay. He's a good guy. He's good he's trainable. That's gonna be the whole thing, you know. Hopefully we can get him starting on Monday. He's already done his drug test and do the background check. Push it for a Monday start time. Well, Meathead got in the garage and didn't want to leave, so he'll get his treats. Just not right now. So about the last 4 nights, he's been really chill. Not trying to attack me. Let's see what happens. See? He didn't jump at me. He didn't try to attack me. He didn't plot my death. He's being chill. I didn't do anything to him. He's just different. Okay, guys. I'll be over there in a second. I am seeing such a noticeable difference. Where's she at? Right there. In Kathy. She's doing so much better. She's walking better. Her bum's getting smaller. And I believe, I think it's the milk thistle that's doing it. And you're going to get you out of there. You get you all that stuff. We'll get the greens. Get the greens. There you go. There's what you want. So like I said, I don't think I've healed her because I know it's water belly, but I know I've made her a lot more comfortable. Any more? You want some more? My special girl. For those of you who are kind of new, this is my senior hen. Her name is Sassy Pants. She eats out of the cup because why? Because she wants to. And she's my senior hen. She was one of my first chickens I got. She's almost 7 years old now. Well, 7? Almost 7. Well, she's getting to be an old girl. But she still's putting out eggs almost every day. Let's see if she has an egg in here. Nope, only one. Oh man, I gotta get this. I gotta get these pulled out and clean them up. They're getting dirty. We got only one. when Sassy does one, it's been about 3 days, but it's longer and ovaler, and it's kind of like a light brown. Definitely one of her eggs. I'm wondering if they're laying in there. Let's take a look. In there is poop though, but it's not an egg. All right, where's my meathead? He is hiding from me today. So with the firewood split and stacked, I mean, this could get split down some more. I need to focus this weekend on winterizing the coops. I've done a lot of it, cleaning and getting it ready, but I need to go through some of the dehumidifier, the heater, put the roosting bars, the heated roosting bars in the 2 rooster houses. Small stuff like that, not too bad, but it's got to be done this week. So, do you need more attention, my friend? Yep. All right, I'm gonna go spend some time with my friend, some floor time, and y'all stay safe. Have an amazing night.